Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna solve this problem, that is, we have to find the value of x for which the given geometric series converges. So it is already given that given this geometric series, so basically it is n is equal to 0 to n is equal to infinite. This question is written in wrong format. So we need to find the value of x or range of value of x for which this series converges. So we know that for a geometric series to be convergent, like if we just can write this as a plus ar square plus dash up to infinite. So we can write this in summation form as n is equal to 0 to infinite a multiply by r to the power n. So basically it is r to the power 0, r to the power 1, where mod r means the mode of the common ratio should be less than 1. It means common ratio ranges from -1 to 1, and the sum of the series would be convergent and is equal to a upon 1 minus r. So in this case we will use this concept of common ratio. So we can rewrite this summation as n is equal to 0 to infinite, since -1 to the power -1 divided by 3 to the power n and x plus 3 to the power n, and we know that if a to the power n, we know the concept of mathematics that a to the power n multiply by b to the power n, we can write this as a multiply by b to the power n. So we can multiply the bracket terms. So if we will multiply -1 divided by 3 multiply by x plus 3 to the power n. So okay, so basically here this is the common ratio, and if we will multiply 1 to this, so it will become value of a. So by comparing the original series with this formula series, we can write this r is equal to -1 divided by 3 x plus 3. So if we will just use this inequality, we can write this as -1 divided by 1 divided by 3 x plus 3 less than 1. So if we will multiply -3 to both sides, so it will become 3 and sign will be changed, it will become x plus 3, and if we will multiply -3 here, sign will be changed again, so it will become -3. So basically if we will rewrite this inequality as -3 less than x plus 3 less than 3. So now we need to subtract 3 to all the, like from this and from this. So if we will subtract this, it will become -3, it will become x, it will become 3 minus 3. So basically the range of x will be -6 to 0, and it is open interval. So if we will write it in the interval form, so x belongs to -6 to 0, and this is open interval. So this is the final answer of this question, and we have to write this answer in this box. So I hope you got the basic concept of convergent of the geometric series of infinite terms. If you like this video, then please press the like button below, give the feedback in the comment section below, share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concept of geometric series convergent, of being convergent in what range of x. So, and if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website or put your doubts in the comment box below. Thank you very much.